Is your engine light flicking on and off like a bad light bulb while your temperature gauge on the dash stays perfectly steady? You are likely dealing with the diagnostic trouble code P0199, which points to an intermittent problem with your engine oil temperature sensor. This is a generic powertrain code found on many American favorites like the Ford Powerstroke or the Chevrolet and GMC Duramax diesels, but you will also see it on various Dodges and Jeeps from the year 1996 to the present day. This sensor is essentially the eyes for your powertrain control module, allowing it to calculate vital things like your fuel quality when you are at the pump and exactly when your glow plugs need to kick in on a freezing morning. It functions as a negative temperature coefficient thermistor, which is a fancy way of saying its internal resistance goes down as the oil gets hotter. The computer sends out a constant 5-volt reference signal and watches the return voltage to keep your engine running at peak efficiency. When this signal starts cutting in and out, it triggers the light and can even mess with your injection timing, making the engine feel sluggish. You might notice your car acting strange alongside coolant temperature warnings, which could mean you are on the verge of a serious overheat condition. To fix this, start by looking for frayed wires or loose plugs near the sensor itself, as the heat under the hood can be brutal on plastic. You can use a scan tool to monitor the oil data in real time, and if you pull the plug and the value drops to almost nothing, you know the circuit is communicating correctly. You should also check for any technical service bulletins, because manufacturers often have a specific software fix for these electronic gremlins. If the wiring looks solid, grab your digital multimeter and check the resistance between the terminals as the engine warms up over time. If that resistance does not move smoothly down as the needle on your dash goes up, the sensor is definitely toast and needs to be replaced with an original equipment manufacturer part. You should head to a professional if you find that the computer is not putting out that 5-volt reference signal, or if your cooling system is not reaching the right operating temperature, because ignoring an oil heat issue can lead to a total engine failure on the highway. Dealing with this early will ensure your truck stays reliable for every long haul across the state lines and keeps your fuel economy right where it should be.